What up, fam? As you can see, we're actually up before the sunrise today. Yeah, like the sky is lighting up. Whatever. Lightening up? I don't know. But either way, the sky is lightening up. That's the thing. I think that's what it is. And we are heading to McAfee Knob. Or is it McAfee Knob? However you say it. That's where we're headed, to the most photographed place on the Appalachian Trail. Yay. We have yet to decide whether or not we're just gonna hang out there all day and try to get a sunset picture, or what we're gonna do. So we got up early so that we could try to get some sunrise pictures on the way. If there's any cool spots. So stay tuned for that. And then we will debate with ourselves once we get there, check the weather and that kind of stuff. And then we'll debate and decide whether or not we're gonna go or whether or not we're gonna stay. So until then, fam, I will see you along the way. Good morning, stream. Good morning. Yep. It's a little dark out still. That's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Holy cow. Man, look at that. Look at that view. Holy, not me, huh? But that view out there. Woo! Sometimes it's worth it. Oh my gosh. Sometimes it's worth it. You guys, you gotta get this view. I gotta get this view. Oh good, the trail goes this way, right? I think the trail goes this way. If not, it's a cattle trail and we're gonna go down it real quick to see. We have to check this out. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, hey, Mr. Spider. Sorry. Oh yeah, this is a cattle trail. Okay. But this is okay. Come check this out. Come check this out. Oh my gosh. All right, we gotta go this way. We're too big to go under that thing. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. Sometimes it's worth it. You guys. Oh my God. We are walking through paradise, my friends. Yes, we are. Oh. Holy frick, dude. Walking through paradise. Yep. Look at that view, bro. What? Look at that view, bro. Oh my God. It's totally worth it. Getting up early was totally worth it today. It's not always worth it, but today it was worth it. I definitely just saw some big bird run across the trail. Some kind of pheasant. Or turkeys, pheasants. There's some kind of pheasant. He took off running. Bird is gone. He just ran like right up there somewhere, but I'm not sure where. You hear that bird? I wish I had a better zoom. There's just a cow up there eating grass. What's up, Mr. Cow? What's up, Mr. Cow? Or Miss Cow? I don't know what you are. What's up, cow? We gotta go this way. Around the cows. Yep. Does not get old. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Yep. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Would you look at that? That is so insane. Oh man. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, hey birds. Didn't mean to scare you. Scared me. Wow. Wow, look at this. Can you see this? Look at that. Whoa. Wow. I don't want to walk in that tall grass to get a better shot of that, but that's awesome, man. Danger, danger. There's a bear down there for sure. It's like right down there. I saw the bushes moving a minute ago, but I don't see them moving now. It's a bear. Holy cow, you guys, that was crazy. Our first bear. Oh my gosh. Our first bear. He was a little guy. He's like maybe a adolescent or something. A little skinny guy. I was shaking right there. That was crazy. Sorry for my terrible camera skills. Oh man. We found a view, maybe. Yeah, buddy. Ooh. Huh. Nice. Nice. We're like right on the edge. Oh, somebody carved in this tree. That's annoying. You know what? We're sorry, tree, that somebody decided to carve you up. We hope you keep growing. Oh. You guys, 2 bears in one day. You can't see him. There he is. There he is. 2 bears in one day. He disappeared. There he is. There he is. What? Oh my god. Cool. Sorry you guys didn't get a good view of him, but I saw him. I don't know how well you can see these stairs in the camera, but hopefully you can see them pretty good, because man, these things are intense. They're super cool looking. Ooh. I get to see a lot of these guys.
Physically, right? And so we've all got to be a team. We're all on the same team. That means I'm fighting a war in Afghanistan. You got to be on the same team.
There's a snake, a black snake. Oh man, going up. Hello, flower bush. Oh man. It has gotten rocky. Ooh, look at that. Oh, here we go. There it is. Interesting.
You made it!
We made it! Yeah. What? Interesting. This is the rock. The infamous rock, huh? It looks way scarier in the pictures.
Yeah, it does.
What the heck? That's so funny. Woo! That's crazy, man. I'm like reeling right now. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's just a little bit.
McAfee Knob. Oh my gosh.
Don't even worry about that one.
It's pretty intense. Neat. Man, this just goes all the way around. This is awesome. It's pretty intense. You guys, look at this. Whoa. It's coming right for us. I think it's time to go. As you guys just saw, it's raining, so I'm heading down to the next shelter to hang out until the rain passes, and then we'll see what I decide on doing. I don't know if I'm gonna keep going yet or not, so we'll see what the weather decides. Raining.
You guys not gonna stay for sunset?
They forced Apple to finally comply with the
Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry. Louis. Louis the bone.
Just called them airbed dress. Airbed.
Anyway, thanks for staying. I love you. Enjoy the picture or the sunset.
You could never have a real conversation.
It is really beautiful. And I am going to check the weather.
Before they call it chapter 13, you could.